Hello everyone, my name is Jerry Yu, the Family Money Doctor. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I have been a retirement planning specialist, tax strategist for over 20 years. Every time I meet a new client to discuss their family retirement planning, I will always ask them to tell me what their ideal retirement is. 99% of the client will tell me that when they retire, number one, they want to spend time with their grandchildren, they want to spoil their grandbabies. Right? Number two, when they retire, they want to join the country club to learn to paint or have a woodwork shop, etc. They now have lots of time to pick up hobbies that they didn't have time to do when they were young. And number three, they want to take their spouse and loved one on an ocean cruise to see the world. And I think your ideal retirement is very similar to 99% of my clients. Indeed, all these are very good arrangements. But from the perspective of financial planning, besides planning all these good times, we need to manage a few risks. Okay? And the following three are the major risks that will impact the quality of our retirement life. Before I share these three risks with you, would you please click on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel? And this will help me tremendously. To have the lifestyle of our dream, we must address risks that will impact our life. And these three risks are known to everyone, but no one wants to and likes to talk about it. The reason I most often hear is, number one, I am still young. I will work on it when the time comes. Well, the second reason is, these things will not happen to me. Don't worry about it. So today, I would like to use this puzzle to share with you the risks that will impact our life at any age. This puzzle represents the three risks of life. First, die too soon. Many people will say that, hey, I should be able to live to age of 75, 85, or age 100. But do you know any of your family members, relatives, friends, or co-workers passed away prematurely? See, I like to play basketball, and I also like to watch NBA. And we all know Kobe Bryant of Los Angeles Lakers died at the age of 42 due to a helicopter accident. See, the question is, if I die prematurely, besides that I can't be with my family anymore, but what about my financial obligation to the family? If I am the bread earner of the family, if my income is not coming in anymore, how will my spouse pay for the mortgage? What about my children's college education funds? Would it be possible that due to lack of planning, that my children cannot attend the college of their dream because of the cost of the tuition? And my children's life might change forever. See, the second risk of life is live too long, the longevity risk. People say that, hey, I should be able to live to 75 years old or 80 years old. Nowadays, with the advancement of technology using AI, we can calculate pretty much everything. But the only thing that no one can calculate or predict is how long I can live. Only God knows, right? So as I mentioned earlier, it's terrible that I died too soon. I didn't have a chance to spend time with my family, watching my children grow. But the second, or possibly the worst situation in life is I live to be age 90 years old, still healthy and strong, mentally as sharp as a 50-year-old. But I ran out of retirement money. What should I do? Do I go to my children and their spouses seeking financial help? But what if I have guaranteed permanent income for as long as I live, regardless live to age 90 or 100? This will help me to avoid the risk of living too long. See, the third risk is become ill. We all think that we will die peacefully in our sleep. That's the ultimate. But, do we know any family members, friends, and co-workers who are battling cancer or to endure the pain of weekly kidney dialysis? Do we know anyone who is suffering from Alzheimer's or dementia that require 24-hour care? If I have to fight against these diseases in the last 10 years of my life, if I don't have any saving or insurance to pay for the long-term care cost, which real estate property should I sell? Or should I cash out my 401k plan to pay for these costs? Therefore, family financial planning should not only focus on investment and only focus on high rate of return, it must also have a game plan to mitigate the three major risks of our lives. See, I've mentioned earlier that I like to play basketball and watch NBA games. Why is Michael Jordan and Kobe are considered the greatest of all time? Besides, they have a very amazing offensive skills, can score it well. But both players are focused on their defensive skill. They play lockdown defense. See, they know that even their team can score 120 points every night. But if there's no defense, the opponent can score 121 points, and Jordan and Kobe can still lose the game. So using the life of basketball to metaphorize life, you cannot only focus on offense or to accumulate wealth quickly. However, we must also pay attention to defense, and we must pay attention to these three risks so we can win this game, which is our life. So thank you for watching this video, and I strongly recommend you to sit down with your family and your loved one to discuss the family game plan. You're seeking help from financial professionals to help you establish a game plan so you and your family can win this game. So thank you for watching my video today, and I will see you next time.